Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to take slow motion video in your Vivo Y11. So let's take a look how to do that. You can easily take slow motion video in your Vivo Y11. So in order to do that, you need to open your mobile camera apps. After click on camera apps, you will find here something is video. Simply click there. Now you can see this video skin is appear. In your video section upper side, if you click over this something like clock icon, you will see there is an option appear normal, slow or time lapse. So for now I want to record slow motion video with my Vivo Y11. So if you want to do that too, you can easily click that and you can see it says slow motion is appear. Now for example, from now whatever activities or whatever things I am doing in my Vivo Y11 activities, it's going to be taking a slow motion video. You can see I am trying to very fastly just jumping my finger, and let me see is it working properly or not. You can see I have successfully done, and after you can also pause the video by pressing here, or if you want to stop the video you can press this red icon. This video going to be automatically stopped and it's going to automatically save in your gallery. Let me try to play and let me see is that working or not. You can see I had just now I had recorded this video, and let me try to play and let me see is it working slowly motion or not. So let's see my finger. Let me see is that working properly or not. Let me try. You can see my finger I was record or I was move very fastly, but here you can see it's moving very slowly. So in this way you can easily record slow motion video in your Vivo Y11. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.